Hi there, welcome back to another amazing day in our school. Today we're going to practice conditionals. And as we did before, we'll try some real experiments just to see what happens. Let's start reading. If we mix some blue and paint this time, blue and paint, the same amount of blue and paint, what happens? What fact always happens? And here we have the options. We get the purple color, we get brown color, and we get the orange color. I give you a few seconds. You can write it in your notebook. Yeah! We get the purple color. We get the purple color. Very good. What else? What happens if you freeze? What happens if you freeze? Ooh, what happens? The options are here. Your skin gets goosebumps and you shiver from the cold. Okay? Your skin gets goosebumps and you sweat. Your skin gets chicken skin and you shiver from the cold. What's chicken skin? No, come on. No. That fact of having your hair like erect, that is called goosebumps. And that happens when you are very cold. So that must be there, goosebumps. And what is the other half of the sentence? Sweat? Sweat is when you are very hot and your body just leaves water. So what is the option? What is the option? Yeah, the second option is the good one. Your skin gets goosebumps and you shiver from the cold. That is the right one.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids! Okay, so now we are going to work on the last activity about the conditional zero and see something. We have these words in here that we need to put in order, yes? And the pictures can give us hints. But what is the conditional zero? The conditional zero is the form we use to talk about facts, truths, yes? That always will happen under certain conditions. And the form is if plus present simple. Yep. So let's go with it. We always start with if. If you eat a lot of sugar, you get nervous. So if you eat a lot of sugar, you get nervous. Yes? Then, now I'll do the second one with this one. If you wear a lot of layers, in summer you sweat. If you wear a lot of layers, in summer you sweat. Yes? Look at this boy. Yes, it's very hot and there are a lot of clothes. If he puts all the clothes on his body, he will sweat a lot. Now let's go for the next one. If you watch TV before going to bed, you don't sleep well. Okay, if you watch TV before going to bed, you don't sleep well. And the last one, if you water a plant, it grows. If you water a plant, it grows. Well done. Okay, so this is it. Remember conditional zeros, if plus present simple. If you eat a lot of sugar, you get nervous. If you wear a lot of layers, you sweat. Oh. If you watch TV before going to bed, you don't sleep well. And if you water a plant, it grows. Well done, guys. Now remember, you have to finish this and write the title to the video you just saw. Goodbye.